In this video, I'll be telling you how you can get a free business email address. But before you do that, you must buy your domain. So there is no way to get around getting a domain for free. So your domain is www.yourwebsite.com, and there are a few things that you can do for it. So if you just want to save your domain so that nobody else can get it, and you want a free email address, I recommend going to GoDaddy or Namecheap to see if your domain is available, or Zoho.com. Now, if you know later you're going to want a website for your business, I recommend you going to Google Domains or Zoho.com. And I'm going to say Zoho twice because Zoho gives you a free email address no matter what domain you're using. So whether you got your domain from Namecheap, whether you got it from Google Domains or GoDaddy, wherever, if you take it to Zoho.com, they'll allow you to get a free email address. Why I like Google is because when you buy a domain from them, they give you a 6 month to a year trial offer on their workspace. So that's when you get to use all of their tools for free, that we're going to detail a bit later. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can make a free email address with Zoho Mail using a domain that you purchase anywhere. In this video, I will be using a domain purchased from Google. What you want to do is start by going on Zoho.com and creating an account. And then after you do that, you're going to be brought to this screen. So the first thing you're going to do is add an existing domain, and we're going to do add now. I'm going to type mine in, the price. Of course, you will type yours in. So you just click add, and then after that, it looks like that. And then you're going to go to proceed with domain verification. So basically, it is telling me that it's recognizing who my website is based through, and I just need to add this piece of code to the back end. So mine is through Wix. If yours was through Shopify, it will say that. If it was through what is another one? Starts with a W. Y'all know who I'm thinking about. So whatever, it will show you right there. So I am just going to go ahead and pull up my Wix, and just give me a moment, and I'm going to pull up that back end page for you. So what you're going to do is from your dashboard, you're just going to go to settings at the bottom, and then from settings, you're going to click on domains. After that, you're going to hover over to the side and click on manage DNS records. So I don't know if I'm supposed to blur this out, but you're going to scroll down to where you see text record, and then you're going to click on add record. So I wonder if I can split my screen. I don't think so. So just give me a moment. So I am just going to read it through. So it is saying leave the text name blank, add an at. If it's mandatory, just add an at. It's not mandatory for Wix, so I'm going to leave it blank. This is the value, so I am just going to click copy. We're going to go back to Wix. This was the name again. They said to leave it blank or add the @ sign. The value, I'm just going to paste it on in. And then I'm just going to say 30 minutes, save it. And then we're going to go here and verify. So that's it. So now you just have to figure out what you wanted to say. So I usually do contact at whatever name, or you can do info, you can do hello, you can do Joe. So what I like about Zoho is you get 5 free accounts. So what an account is, that's the individual email name. So if you have a team of 3 or 4, so you can do Joe at the Diamond Enterprise, and then you can do Diamond at the Diamond Enterprise and Jane at the Diamond Enterprise. So I'm just gonna go with, oh, 3 a.m. 4. Oh, it's 4 a.m. I haven't been to sleep, so I can't see. So sorry. Info at the Diamond Enterprise. Click on create. That's my drum roll, y'all. That's the best I got for y'all. Come on, internet. So this is the page that you will see after you add your users. So like I said, if you had Jane and John and Joseph, you'll see all of your people here. Proceed to set up groups at the bottom. So what is a group? So let's say you had a business that had billing. So we'll be billing at, the diamondenterprise.com, and that billing group will go to your billing team, and the same thing for HR, payroll, etc., sales, and so forth. So proceed to DNS mapping. Again, that is something you're going to do in your back end of your website. So like I said, it says I am through Wix. These are all of the codes that I need to paste. So again, this is the record type. Before we were doing text code. So now we'll be doing a MX, and then we'll be going back down to a text one and then another text one. So I'm gonna copy that priority 10. And I'll verify. Because y'all didn't tell me to add it. Don't tell me what you can verify. Y'all didn't tell me to add it. So just gonna click on other points 2. Gonna paste that information. And sorry guys, let me explain that a little bit better. So it's saying you can connect the business email you bought somewhere else or get one from us. Of course, we just want you to buy the one for them for $10 a month, but we're going to do the free one. Google Workspace is usually the way most people go. Microsoft, GoDaddy, etc. So we're going to click on other points 2. We're going to paste that. They already got that priority 10 that was there for us. We're going to click save. Try under text because I don't see that DKIM stuff. We're gonna paste up there. My value. Drop it all down under. And then I'm gonna say 30 minutes. 30 minutes. And let's try to be involved. Go ahead and delete this out. And we're going to paste it under the text name. And like I said, you're just going to drop that value and do 30 minutes. Now, when it comes to okay, so y'all do not laugh at me because I've been saying MX. When it comes to this back end tech stuff like this, it's all self-taught and trial error and YouTube for me. So this is something that I learned as I went through, just by like reading and just keep on plugging stuff in until it worked. That's how I figured out how to manage DNS records. So just doing that years and years, just playing around with stuff. But anyway, it's not called MX. It's called Mail Exchange. I'm so embarrassed. So anyway, we're going to edit the record. Yeah, we're just going to edit the record. So when you edit the record, that's going to create a new one. We're going to do other again. So what you want to do is you want to start with your lowest priority first. We're going to copy it. We're going to paste that in there. Did y'all see this? Did y'all see this here the first time? Because I didn't see this here the first time. You're going to click on add another. Copy that one on down in there. Paste it. Add another. Copy that on down in there. Paste it. Don't save that. They all should appear. Right? Now, you're going to verify all your records. I just want to go back and do a recap because I know that could have been a little scary. So again, what you're going to do is you're going to log in to your provider. Mine is Wix. Yours might be Wix too. To get there, you're going to go to settings, domains, manage. The first thing you're going to do is find your mail exchange records. So from there, that's the last one we just did. And another way, if you don't want to do all this scrolling, use the Control F feature. And we're going to type in next. It's going to pull it right on up for you. So that's when you're going to click on edit. And then, like I said, I'm not about to redo that one because we literally just did it. Now, for the SPF one, what you're going to do is you're going to go and find text. Okay. You're going to copy this here. You're going to go under text. And that's when you add a record and you paste that value on there. Same thing for got the same thing for this one, except it's only one difference. All you had to do was add in a host name this time. Notice nothing else has a host name. So that's this one here. You added in that host name and then you pasted in those values and then you just click next. So yeah, you want to do that. I'm just going to name it migration. So basically it's saying, let's read that to you. Data migrations helps you migrate your existing emails, contacts, and other data from your previous email server to the Zoho mail server. You can migrate these data via POP and IMAP protocols from other email providers. So we're going to start there. I'm just going to migration. Yeah. So basically, protocol application is what are you getting your emails from? So they pulled up the most common ones. If you have like a AOL or you have like a Yahoo, just comment below and I'll create a video on how to proceed. If anything, you should probably pick the POP. But okay, so just to pick up where we left off, um, I'm going to name this migration. So it makes it easy for you if you have a Google Workspace account or if you have a Microsoft Exchange account. Your regular person like me, you probably have like a Gmail or a Yahoo or AOL. So I'm going to tell you the difference between IMAP and POP. So POP, we're not going to use that. So this basically means your emails can only be used for a single computer and they're not synced in real time. So every time you want to look at your emails, you have to like manually go and download them. So this is the one we're going to use because IMAP can be used across multiple devices and it can be synced in real time. So the cool part about this is you can use it on your computer, you can use it on your phone. That's the biggest thing. So it looks like it pulled mine already up. The Gmail pulled that up for me. Path prefix. So this is our settings. And it is just saying what folders do I want to bring over? I want to bring over all of my folders. What emails do I want to bring over? I want to bring over all of my emails. If you're somebody with a lot of emails, you might want it from a specific date range. I want all of mine. It says we're just gonna ignore this one here. Exclude duplicates for inbox emails with multiple labels. My label people, that is for you. Mark important stuff as a tag. So that just creates a tag for me. I wanted to do that and then mark my start as a tag. C to go mobile. So I don't want a mobile app. If you want a mobile app, that's where you download it. And just like that, let's see it, guys. Let's see it. Welcome. Hey, y'all. Thank you for welcoming me. I am in the Eastern. Click on next. Oh, man, I got to set up a new signature. Let's see something. Let's see if I could copy and paste it from Google. Let's see. Who's recording? Okay. Fingers crossed. Oh, I'm cool like that. Know what? I am just gonna take it and we're going to click next. Choose a theme. I like light colors. I wish I can do a purple, but I cannot. Oh, what about this yellow? I like that yellow. The little welcome emails that they send you. So let's say you said, okay, I just wanted an email address. I did not want a whole new email account. I am not about to be checking two accounts. I barely check my one account. I just wanted it to look nice. It's cool, best friend. It's cool. I'm gonna show you how to loop that together so you don't have to check both. Everybody watching didn't come here for all that though. So for that, I'm going to link a video below to see how you can link those together.